The definition of team culture is the shared passion for achieving a fixed outcome and the beliefs and values which develop within a group of individuals who have come together to achieve that fixed outcome. There are many ways to build and create an effective team culture. One effective way to develop a team culture would be to develop autonomy. Encouraging autonomy in the workplace has several benefits. The act of putting faith in a team can change a business atmosphere, placing a sense of hierarchy with one of trust. Well, in today's video, we're going to quickly talk about how you can quickly develop a sense of autonomy in the workplace. Welcome to Quick Team Building Activities, where you bring the team, we bring the activity. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how do you develop a sense of autonomy within your workplace. This is a multi-part series focusing solely on autonomy and building into other things that go into developing a team culture. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you like this type of content. Let's get started. A workplace feels less pressured when given autonomy and as a result more confident. This in turn has far-reaching positive benefits. It's true having trust in your team is fundamental to building a sense of autonomy, but leaders can take more proactive steps to help employees feel connected to their teams and other leaders in the organization. As a leader, helping cultivate strong relationships with and between team members is a great way to build a thriving team culture. When teams have strong bonds with one another and their leader, there's 42% greater odds that team members will feel like they have high autonomy. Another way to develop a sense of autonomy is by setting employees up with opportunities to grow, develop, and work on special projects. As they create and work on things outside of their immediate job role, their sense of autonomy increases. The 2020 Global Culture Report shows that when employees feel that they can take advantage of these unique opportunities, there's a 33% chance of higher autonomy. The next strategy is to develop a growth mindset organization. Fear and mistakes kills employee initiative, engagement, and autonomy. The most successful organizations focus on learning from their mistakes and foster a growth mindset. Mistakes are going to happen. What's important is that you and your team use those mistakes to work out what you can do differently next time. It's important that team leaders use the right questions when they're seeking to engage employees around mistakes. The questions need to be focused on how do you develop and move forward rather than being punitive. It's important to focus on what employees do well, in the same way that athletes who visualize the win outperform those who don't. Focusing on what went well after, for example, a successful launch or a bonus sales month, will help your team get comfortable with success. The more your team understands what it takes to perform at a higher level, the higher your team's chances of repeating that success example. Another surefire way to develop autonomy within your organization is to hire the right people who embrace the culture that you want to bring into the organization. Some people are happier being autonomous than others. This might be because of their personalities or because of the type of culture they're used to working in. Get a step ahead by hiring people who are confident with autonomy and who can role model that behavior to yourself and staff. In order to accomplish this goal, it would be best to develop questions with your team that embrace the autonomous environment that you want to bring. Use these strategies as a way to develop your team and your culture around developing an autonomous environment. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you like this type of content. As always, stay hungry, stay motivated, and stay focused as you move your team into the future. Happy planning.